Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and today I am sharing with you the unboxing of the Simply Earth Monthly Essential Oil Recipe Box for November. When I open this box, the scent is just amazing, and wait till you see what's inside. This box theme is gift giving, and so nice for the holidays. You can make it for yourself, you can make it for family, you can make it for your friends. What's included are your oils. First is winter spice, which is a mix. You've got cassia, you've got lime, and then candy cane for the holidays. The other thing that comes in your box, which I really like, because when you order essential oils and by the time they get to you, I've often forgotten what I'm going to use those oils for. So having the recipe cards as well as some ingredients and containers to work with really helps set my mind on what I ordered them for. So the recipes that are included this month: DIY Air Dry Clay Diffuser Ornament, Winter Joy Bath Salts, Gift Diffuser Blend, Forever Thankful Roll-On, Candy Lip Balm, Oatmeal Cookie Scrub. Now, the other parts that are included in your recipe box are these two tubes. You've got these little containers. So cute. And then you've got gift tags with the string to put on all of your gift giving. Isn't that the sweetest little thing? They're so cute, and they're natural, matching the cardboard box, matching the little containers. What a great idea. Then they've got dried lavender flowers, and finally your set of stickers. Now the stickers have the circles that go on the tops of your bottles, as well as this is the one that goes around the roll-on, and then if you make the cookie sugar scrub, you can put that on there. If you make the Winter Joy bath salts, you can put that on there. And that's, these tubes would be really sweet with that label around it, and then putting a gift tag on it. And what a nice little gift. And you could also hang them from a Christmas tree if you were interested in doing that, and then using the ingredient sets inside. So just to let you know that this box, its retail value is $109.92, and if you sign up for a subscription service this month, you're going to get this for $39 along with the big box. And the big box contains all of your extra needed materials, which are things like oils and containers. You get the roll-on ball, a ball roll-on. I can't speak, but you get a ball roll-on container. You get an oil container for mixing up some mixed oils. You basically get everything that you need in addition to this, and you get that big box for free when you sign up for your subscription. The other nice thing that you're going to get is if you sign up using my discount code, which is TRYITFREE, you're going to get a gift card that gets emailed to you after your first purchase. So you're going to purchase your first box for $39. You're going to get this box, which is $109.92, and then you're going to get the big box along with it for free. And then you're going to get an email that contains a gift card for basically another free box, because you're going to get a gift card for $40. It is not a discount. It is actually a gift card, and you can use it to spend on whatever you would like from Simply Earth. If you'd like, you could use it for your next month's box, which then would be free. Don't forget to use my code to sign up to get your gift card. Once again, that's TRYITFREE. I'll put the links down in the description below as well as the discount code.